Welcome to another edition of Women of Influence TV. Today we are featuring a powerful woman of influence, Anne-Marie McElraith. Anne-Marie is joining us today all the way from the vibrant city of Cork in Southern Ireland. Anne-Marie is the mastermind behind the groundbreaking project Empower Youth Health and Wellness Male Grooming Skills Training Program for 12 to 18-year-old boys, teens, and young men. Anne-Marie, I am so honored that you have agreed to come on our show today.
Thank you, TC. It's lovely to meet you.
Anne-Marie, your project intrigues me. It sounds exceptional. Please tell me more.
Thanks, TC. The core of Empower Youth lies in its holistic approach to education. So it's not just the practical and technical skills where we teach boys about their skin care, their hair care, their nail care. We also go through cancer awareness, mental health, all to give guys a better self-esteem and to tee them up essentially as they go through their growing process.
Anne-Marie, can I ask you what inspired you to start the project?
Oh, it's very simple. I'm a mom. I've got brothers, I've got a dad. And what we've discovered really is that there was nobody teaching our boys these essential skills. So from there, it developed until if nobody else was going to do it, I was going to do it.
So you feel it's a calling?
Absolutely, 100%. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. And tell me about the book. You've written a book as well?
We have written the book. So when I formulated the whole program, obviously I had to get it published. And then for it to have the appropriate weight, we've had it accredited with CPD.
All right.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
That's so cool. You know, it's internationally recognized.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well, we're going to tell you how you can get a copy of this book, but is there anything that you're looking for with your project?
Yes, of course. We want to reach out to either educators, departments of education, or other key influencers, gatekeepers that would be interested to deliver this program to young men, to boys and to our teens. And if they're interested, they can reach out and we will try and get that to reach as many boys as we can.
How inspiring. How can people get in touch with you?
They can pop on to the website, so it's empoweryouth.com, or they can pop me an email, so it's empoweryouthintl@gmail.com, or they can follow us on social media.
All right. Well, we're going to drop a link down below so you can connect with this powerful woman of influence. Grab her book as well. Anne-Marie, such a pleasure to have you on our show today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for what you're doing for our young kids.
Thank you.